Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos.
Okay, so let's draw a duck. What shape should we start with the duck? So yeah, you can do an oval like this or like that. So let's make our guy standing up. So if he's standing up, it should be more like this. But that's a good shape. All right, so we have that. And then, do you think ducks have bigger heads or smaller heads than birds?
I think they have maybe the same size.
Yeah, so we want to make our designs different. This is going a little bit character design. So let's choose whether it's going to be bigger or smaller. What do you think? I'm going to choose smaller. And the reason why is because I feel like ducks have bigger beaks and smaller heads. Okay, so just for our drawing's sake, I'm going to draw this with you again. Let's draw a circle for the body. Let's draw a smaller head for a smaller circle for the head, and we can connect it here. And what shape can we use for the beak?
You can use a triangle.
Yeah. We can use a triangle. And then what shape should we use for the arms?
Triangle.
Mm-hmm. Good job. And then what do we do at the end? You can bend your triangle, and then at the end, I like to add these kind of curvy lines. And then for the feet, same kind of feet, 2 lines. And for the duck, since the duck swims, he has a bigger feet, so we can make bigger triangles. Okay, so I want you guys to add some costume on him. So maybe for the head, you can also give him a helmet. The helmet is just like a half circle. And if you want, you can also give him some glasses, like those racing glasses. Or you can do it like this, like goggles, which are just 2 circles. Okay. That's kind of a funny duck, huh? We can have some stripes and stuff.
Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.